Ooh, look, he's got an H for Haley. Haley.
Double egg.
Are you
Double
done?
egg.
Oh no, Baba.
I wonder how come they're getting all lines on them.
Probably got eggs.
Two more things, okay?
More eggs? You want to do a yellow egg? Huh? Do a yellow egg?
Use this one. This one
Look
should have a star on it.
hot go. Too hot. Too hot.
It's
Use
too
a
hot?
I got a bunch of spoons out.
Sure.
Purple and orange. We got it.
He's
Hey,
got such a
look at
smile on his
that.
face. Like, he threw it on the floor on purpose.
One.
You want to watch the eggs?
Ooh, what color egg is that one?
Blue.
No, what color is that?
Yellow.
Yes!
Good job.
Two more eggs, okay?
Let's see if we can find. I don't really think the star is going to show up on the yellow egg.
Yeah, I think so. Leave it in there for a
Double
while.
egg, okay?
Let's do a different egg. We'll leave that one in there for a while. You want a purple one? Let's do a purple egg.
Okay, just a minute. I'll take them out of here.
Do a purple one? See, that's why I always put two things of color in there. So
We only got one thing of color, so next year we know.
Are you doing eggs?
purple egg. Huh? Purple. Ooh, purple. Yeah, purple. Here. You can color on this egg. Color on it really hard. Then you can put it in the color and make a pretty egg.
Matt? Haley, are you coloring eggs? What color is... Oh, don't put that in there, sweetie.
Don't put that
That'll
in there.
melt.
Color on your egg.
I'm trying to get her to take one out while I'm recording.
It's orange.